Welcome to Stop Venture. Today I will bring you some excitement method to solve the pair of linear equations with the two variables. We will solve this problem within the 10 seconds in the competitive exams. First I will explain how to do it in 2 minutes, and then I will solve an example problem in 10 seconds. Then I will prove this one in the 3 minutes. Now we will see how to do it in 2 minutes. Let's take the pair of linear equations with two variables. Write down the two equations in this format: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So after writing this format, you need to find the three terms, okay? That is d, x and y, okay? How do you find this d and x and y and d, okay? First, when you are trying to find the d, okay, that is we need to do with the x and y coefficients, okay? So that we will hide with your finger, right? You will just hide the finger with C, okay? You just hide it with your finger so that you cannot see this term, okay? You need to find we need to write down in this direction, okay? Always remember A1, B2 minus A2, B1, okay? All the terms while calculating, you need to follow this same order. It is like first cross down, like A1, B2 minus A2, B1. You can see here D is A1, B2 minus A2, B1, right? So it's A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Okay. Then, while writing X term, you need to hide the X term, okay? You just mark it this way, okay? So I'm just put your finger over here, okay, in the same action. You need not to write every time, okay? Just put the finger here and just follow and write the x in this same way. How did you write? We need to write this way and then this way, right? Okay. So x will be b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Clear, right? Here, if you are finding the y, you hide the y term with your finger, okay? You just hide the y term with your finger so that what we have. So we have written the y term also. It is also in the same order like a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Okay. So first, once we have written all the things, we will write x. Finally, our solution is x is equal to x by d and y is equal to minus y by d. That's all. Okay. It's a very simple to do it. Okay. If you show in the example, you will do it within the 10 seconds. Okay. Now we will solve pair of equations in 10 seconds. Let's take the given pair of linear equations. Okay. Now we will find the first d term. How do you find the d term? Just multiply 3 into minus 1 minus 3 into 4, 12. So it is minus 3 minus 12, it's minus 15. Similarly, x we need to find. We need to strike off the x and we need to find 9 into 4 into minus 9 is minus 36 minus 6 into minus 1, minus 6. So it will become like plus 6. Then it will become like minus 30. Similarly, y, if we need to find, we need to strike the y. So 3 into minus 9, minus 27, minus 6 into 3, it is 18. So 27 is 37, 47, we need to reduce 2. So it is minus 45. So the x is x by d, that is minus 30 by minus 50, that is 2. Similarly, y we need to find, that is minus y by d, right? So minus y is minus 45 by minus 15, that is minus 3. So x is equal to and y is equal to minus 3. Now we will prove this one in 3 minutes, okay? So let's take the standard form of the two linear equations. For the elimination method, we need to eliminate the one of the term in this, right? Let's eliminate this first x term in this both equation. For that, what you do, we will multiply let's take this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Okay. So we need to multiply the first equation with a2 and the second equation with a1 so that this x term can be eliminated. So when you multiply it with first equation with a2, you will get this. Similarly, when you multiply with a1 with another equation, you will get a1 a2x plus a1 b2y plus a1 c2 equal to 0. Okay. Now what you do, we need to subtract these two equations to get cancel this x term, right? So these two will be get cancelled. If you take y as common here, so it will be a2 b1 minus a1 b1. So these directions will change, right? Okay, so similarly a2 c1 minus a1 c2 equal to 0. So now if you take this term to other side of the equation, then we will get this y equal to this one by this one, right? So that's what I'm showing here. Then what you do, right, we will take a as a minus is common from the top and bottom, okay? So that this will be reversed like a1 c2 minus a2 c1, right? Bottom also it become like a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right? So that this minus get cancelled. So we define some terms here, right? Those terms d and x and y, right? So those are the d, x, y, right? So I explained how to write the d, x, y terms, right? If you see these terms, this a1 c2 minus a2 c1 equal to the y term, right? Similarly, the below one we have the d term here. So that y will get it as a minus, this minus will be still there here. So that it comes as minus y by d. To eliminate this b terms, right, we need to multiply with the b2, the second equation with the b1. Then we can eliminate the y term and we can find the x in a similar way. So you will get the x as x by d. Okay. That's for the class. Thank you. I think this is helpful for you. If you like the video, please press the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.